Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with some products from the mini catalog, the September to December 2024 mini catalog, otherwise known as the holiday catalog. I am going to be using the Creativity Made Fun and Easy, the mix and match some of these products. So I'm going to be using the Joyful Images and the Joyful Sayings ephemera packs. And those ephemera packs kind of sort of coordinate with this little bit of festive designer series paper pack. It has 3 sheets of 2-sided designer series paper. Then it has 3 sheets of basically ephemera. So this is a specialty pack of designer series paper, kind of like the, what is it called? The one that's in the annual catalog. This one here, the Frames and Flowers. It's kind of like, it's not kind of like, it is just like that. But this one has gold accent, so some gold foiling, really cute. So we're going to be using that today. So here's the Joyful Sayings, and this is the Joyful Image. We're going to be using the Stylish Shapes dies, the Deckled Circle dies, as well as the Take A Bow designer series paper. This is a pack of paper that can come in a bundle with some dies to make a bow. That's hence the name Take A Bow. So I'm just going to show you really quickly, the designs that's in this paper. So you only get a couple of designs, but you get a lot of each sheet. So it's really pretty paper. I like it because you can use it for Christmas or birthdays or whatever. But that is that. And before we get started on the project, we're going to go over our buzzworthy business of the day. This is the Autumn Abundance. Oh my goodness. Paper pumpkin kit for September. You have until the 10th to subscribe. Makes 9 cards. Cajun Craze will be the stamping spot. Every Celebration Dies add-ons are available for $12. Coordinates with July, August, and September. Honeybee Stampin' Hive is my blog name where you can find out all the information that the note goings on with Stampin' Up. This is our host code for September. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And that is all of our buzzworthy business for right now. So we are going to be doing a card, a mini Slimline card. This is from the Call Me Crafty Owl, Show Us Your Sheet Load, September 2024 card sketch. I'll link her video in the description box so you can download her free PDF. I didn't print it out this time, but I'm going to be making a card from it. So I have our card base here. It's going to be a Slimline, and I've scored it, gone ahead and scored it where it needs to be scored. And we're just going to fold it because it's also a fun fold. So this fold lends itself to a couple of things. So let me burnish this down with my bone folder really good. So you can either have this open up like this, or you can have it do like this, like a Z fold. For Alicia, she has it glued down so it'll be just opening like this. So we can leave it as a Z fold if you would like, okay? So I have all the designer series papers that she had us cut out. She used 12 by 12 paper to make 12 cards. I used 3 6 by 6 papers and I made 3 cards. So these are the patterns that I chose from our pack of designer series paper. And I'm going to go ahead and glue everything down. And when I'm done, I'll show you the other 2 cards that I made, okay? So we are going to just put this in the inside of our card base, just like that. This one, glue it, glue it, glue it. This is going to go on this little flap right here. Whoop, let me try to get it in the middle, centered, up, down, side to side. That goes right there. And this pretty one, I love stripes, but I'm not using that side today. Man, I really wanted to use that, but the design I had in my head didn't go really well with stripes. So we're going to put this on this side. Just making sure I line that up. Try to make the borders even. Okay, and I am going to go ahead and glue my flap down. So I'm just going to put some glue back here, because as you can see, it's a lot more space on this side, but the designer series paper doesn't need to go all the way over there because we're going to cover that part up. And I'm just going to use my bone folder to make sure that stays secure down. Okay, then I use the deckled circles, like I said, in the stylish shapes. So I have number 7 from the middle in basic white. I have number 6 in Night of Navy. And then from the stylish shapes dies, I used the larger stylish shape to cut out a basic white and a gold foil. And I did use another one just so I wouldn't waste my gold foil, okay? So what we're gonna do is take our gold foil sheet here, and we're gonna add this to the basic white deckled circle. Let me just get some glue on that. And we're gonna add this to this one. Try to get it in the center as best you can. Okay, and then we're gonna take this one and pop it right on top. Because we just need a little bit of that gold border, since the elements in the ephemera packs have gold, little gold in it. I don't know if you can see how the sentiments are gold. So all the little images, they have gold on them, okay? So that's why I wanted to use that. So we're going to add this onto our card base, about right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some glue here, because I know that's where I'm putting my card, my circle rather. Then I'm gonna put some glue on the edge of this side to make sure that it's glued down very well where I want it. And we're gonna just put that down like that. So then we're gonna take our stylish shaped circle, and we're gonna center this. I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't go all the way to the edge because it's the same size as that gold. So it's gonna be a little bit of a border, because this is gonna be for our inside where the person can write their message, sign it and everything. So we're going to add our glue. We're going to set that down, and we're going to close the card on top of it. And there we have the inside done. So it covers it up, okay? So next we're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals. Do I want minis? Yeah, let's use some minis. Get my Take Your Pick tool, and these are the images that I'm going to be using from the ephemera pack. This is from the Joyful Images and from the Joyful Sayings. It says Winter Wishes, and then you see the gold in that. Can you see that? It's really cute. So we're going to add some dimensionals to the back. Oh, I could have used regular dimensionals. I thought the sentiment layer was a little smaller, but that's okay. We have these now. Oop, get off. Put a couple on here. I don't know why that looks funny to me. I'm gonna have to add another one. Okay. So I want to put our what are these called? Ice skates. I want to put those on first. I do believe that's what I want to do. I want to put those on about right there. Then we're going to take our sentiment layer here, get those backings off, and we're going to put this right here, and we're going to tuck it under just a little bit, and it's going to go like that. Then I have the neutrals adhesive back sequence here. We're going to get some of the gold ones, and we're going to put some around our card. So I'm going to put one there, one here, and let's have another one right up there. And that is it. That's the card done. Nice and simple and sweet. Isn't that cute? I love it. Now, let me show you the variations that I made. So here's another one where I use the Countryside Corners dies. And it's still the same 2 ephemera packs. Ho, ho, ho. That's the inside. Thought that was cute. And then on the next one, I used the Perennial Postage dies. And on this one, I did a little something different. So on the inside, I made this piece the size of the designer series paper that's here. I made it basic white. Then I put a strip of designer series paper that is 6 by 1 1/4 right here. So they can write right there. And it's still covered up. Isn't that pretty? So those are the 3 cards that I made using the September Show Us Your Sheet Load by Call Me Crafty Al. This is the card we made today. Hope you enjoyed it. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.